Good morning, everyone. My name is Hans Lester Bermejo, and I'm a BP student. My title of my research is all about the impact of smartphone use on academic performance and well-being in Bachelor of Physical Education students. Okay, the definition of my terms is all about the academic performance and the grades or GPA achieved by students in coursework, and well-being and mental and physical, including um, sleep quality and stress level. So, and the smartphone use by spent on various smartphone activities and including non-academic and academic purposes. So, and next, the purpose of my study. The purpose of my study is to measure the impact of the smartphone use on academic performance and well-being of Bachelor of Physical Education students. Okay, into next to provide insight into responsible smartphone use in academic and personal context. Okay, next, the background of my study. It's all about the smartphone use are essential tools for students, but may interfere the academic priorities and mental health when overused, and focuses on the CPEC student PPE to evaluate the effects of smartphones usage patterns on their academic performance and their well-being. Okay, next, the statement of the problem. The prevalence of the smartphone influences student daily activities and the academic responsibilities. And next, the excessive smartphone use for entertainment result in academic delays, lower performance, or poor well-being. Prolonged usage and negative impacts sleep and quality and the negative impacts in their sleep quality and the stress level. Next is the hypothesis. Number one is the BP students spend more time on smartphone than academic tasks. Second is the non-academic. Smartphone use and negative affect on GPA and increases stress. The number three is the academic focus. Smartphone use positively and impact performance and reduce stress level. Okay, next is we have the methodology. Design is the quantitative conditional study. The participants is 15. Student will be recruited in online. My data collection is a validated in questionnaire on smartphone usage, GPA, and well-being. Academic record for GPA. And follow-up interviews with 5 student analysis, correlation, and recognition modeling. Okay, next is we have data gathering instrument. First, smartphone usage survey, evaluate patterns and educational and non-educational smartphone use. And the second is the academic performance. GPA GPA and course grades from university records. Third is the well-being survey, measure and sleep quality and stress level. Number 4 is the validation process, reviewed by field expert and approved by panel. Summary of the findings: smartphone usage is students spend over 4 hours daily on non-educational apps, which is educational use was linked on higher GPA and well-being. Late night smartphone use lead to poor sleep and high stress. And demographics, my demographics is gender-based differences and smartphone habits. For a conclusion, excessive non-traditional smartphone use negatively affects an academic performance and their well-being. Structured, balanced use support better GPA and reduce stress. My recommendations. Number one is the conduct workshop on responsible smartphone use. Number two is to develop digital literacy programs. And lastly is to promote educational app for BBA students.